Hello and welcome. This video is going to show you how to log into your WordPress website and or change your password. First step, naturally, you navigate to your website. This is a local website here that's running on my local machine. It's called test.local. Your website's going to probably end with some domain name .com or some domain name .org. At the end of your domain, or at the end of your URL rather, okay, this one being test.local, I'm going to put a / and type in WP, that's William Paul, with a dash after it, and then admin. Admin is short for administrator, okay? Once that's there, I hit return, and it takes me to a login screen. You can see if your URL is still the same. It says test.local. Yours is going to say .com or .org. They have this long string of characters here. This is part of the security process of logging in to your website. And in the inputs, here you have two of them. You have your username and your password. Your username, you can use in the username input, you can use your email address if you so choose. But I'm going to use my username. But one problem, I forgot what my password is. I'm going to use this link down here. It says lost your password. I click this and it gives me an input here. It says username or email address. I want to enter the username or the email address associated with my user. I'm going to pick support because I know what that is. I know that's my username. I'm going to get a new password. So in a moment, I'm going to receive an email notification, or I'm going to get a new email from WordPress, from my WordPress installation, in the inbox for the associated email address. So I'm going to go check that right now. I have my email client here hidden to a little bit of it hidden because there's sensitive information there. I don't want it streaming over the internet. I click the message that says it's from WordPress, random WordPress test site. That's the name of my local site here, my local WordPress site. And it says, password reset. So you're looking for that. It says someone has requested a password reset for the following account. And this is the site name. It says random WordPress test site. So that's the name of my website. Username is support. And if we look down here, there's a link. It says to reset password, visit the following address. So I'm going to click on this link and it opens up in this new tab in my browser. And we have a password here that's impossible to remember. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to type in a new password. See this eyeball right here? This lets you see what you're typing. So if I put my cursor in there and I type, you have to, when there's no cross through the eyeball, you can't see the words or the letters, that is. And if you click this, now you can see the letters. So my password is just going to be password. Very weak. You want to pick something that's difficult to remember. So it's still, I'm going to type a letter here, another character in here. You can see it's still, there we go. So this is what you're striving for. You want it to be strong. But just for testing purposes here, I am going to pick a very weak password because I want to remember it for the purpose of recording this video. So I'm just going to say password. It's very weak. Confirm use of weak password. Save password. All right, now I can click up here and to take me to the login screen for my website. So you can see it says test.local. Again, yours is going to say .com or .org, some unique domain name that you selected for your website when you set it up. So here I'm going to type in support, type in the password. I double check it by clicking the eyeball, make sure that it's right. Click login, and it worked. Hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.